Have you ever looked at a pile of used papers, old crayons, or broken CDs and thought, oh, this could be something more? In the Philippines, scraps pose a significant threat to sustainability, but as environmental warriors against land and marine litter, we thought that it would be exactly the spark behind our project. Terra Firma. We are a team of emerging young leaders from the Philippines that are passionate about environmental advocacy and the arts, and we're building a space where creativity meets sustainability. Terra Firma, a Latin word for solid ground, is a community-based store and donation hub where people can give and access recyclable or scrap materials, from newspapers and cardboards to fabric scraps, used pencils, and even keyboard caps. Instead of ending up in a landfill, these materials can become diorama parts, art installations, or even upcycled fashion pieces. Students, artists, and makers alike can find what they need affordably and responsibly. And to make it more plausible, we will partner with local environmental and art groups and even NGOs, host DIY workshops, pop-up markets, and keep everything organized through a digital platform. With scheduled drop-offs and student-friendly pricing, Terra Firma aims to reduce waste, inspire creativity, and build a stronger, greener community, one scrap at a time.